Good day, students. Today we want to look at how to solve an inequality equation and to represent them graphically. We have 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 7. Now we are going to bring this x to this side. It is minus here. When it comes to this side, now turn to what? Plus. And it is plus here. When it comes here, now turn to minus x. And this minus 3, when we bring it here, it will now turn to plus 3. So we bring those ones that are similar to the other. We now have 2x minus x, which will give us x. 7 plus 3 will give us 10. To represent this on your number line, you draw your number line. So if this is 0, 5, 10, minus 5, minus 7, they said x is less than 10. Draw a circle on 10. Now the numbers that are less than 10 are 5, 0. So all the number down here. So let the arrow be here and place your x on top. It shows x is less than 10. Let's have another example. 1 over 3x minus 2. 1 over 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 2 over 5x plus 1 over 4. First of all, you realize that this 1 over 3x is the same time 1 over 3 times x. So you now say 1 times x is the same thing as x over 3 minus 2 less than or equal to 2 over 5x times x is the same thing as saying 2 times x, which is 2x over 5 plus 1 over 4. Now you realize that this and this looks like fraction. So we are going to treat them like fraction. So if you put this over 1, so you now look for the LCM of 3 and 1. LCM of 3 and 1 will give you 3. How many 3 are in 3? We have 1. 1 times s will give us x minus. How many 1 are in 3? We have 3. 3 times this 2 will give us 6. Less than or equal to, come to this side. The LCM of 5 and 4 will give us 20. How many 5 are in 20? 4. 4 times 2x will give us 8x. So how many 4 are in 20? We have 5. 5 times 1 will give us 5. So it means that we now have x minus 6 over 3 less than or equal to 8x plus 5 over 20. Now from here, we are going to cross multiply. Bring this 20 to come and multiply 20 times 20x minus 6 and this 3 to multiply 8x plus 5. So we are having 20 times x minus 6 less than or equal to 3 times 8x plus 5. So from here, we are going to open the bracket. Now we need to open the bracket. So 20 times x will give us 20x minus 20 times 6 will give us 120 less than or equal to 3 times 24 gives us 3 times 8 rather gives us 24x plus 3 times 5 gives us what? 15. So we are going to collect like that. The one that is having x to do, to bring it on this side. Those ones not having x, I'll bring it to this other side. So that means I'm having this plus 24. When it comes here, turn to minus 24x less than or equal to 15 is here already, plus this is minus 120. When it comes to this side, now turn to plus 120. From there, you have 20x minus 24x giving us minus 4x less than or equal to 15 plus 120 gives us 135. So we are looking forward for x, not minus 4x. Because of that, we will divide both sides by a negative, by minus 4. And you should note something. Whenever you are dealing with inequality, anytime you are to divide by a negative value, because of the negative value you are dividing it with, you realize that the sign here, here you are having less than or equal to. It will not change to the opposite sign. It will change to the opposite sign here. It will not become greater than or equal to, because you are dividing by a negative number. Anytime you are dividing by a negative number, the sign, if it is less than or equal to, it will change to greater than or equal to, or if you have greater than there before, it will not change to less than. So it will have, anytime you are dividing by a negative number, it will always affect this inequality sign to the opposite sign. Initially this one is what, less than or equal to, but because I'm dividing by -4, so this sign will not change to greater than or equal to having 134 divided by -4. So your x will now be minus 135 divided by -4 plus divided by minus is minus 135/4. Now to draw this on a number line to make it easier, I will say that if I have my 0 like this, my minus 135/4 is this way, my 135/4 this way. The question is saying about minus 134 5/4. I'll come to minus 135/4. The circle will be on it. Because it also have equality sign, I'm going to shade this circle. So which side is greater than? You realize that all these side will be greater than minus 135/4. So the arrow will face this side. I'll write my x on top. Now let's do another example. We are having 3x minus 4 is less than 2x plus 1. This one is now less than or equal to 3x plus 2. Now, you are having like two inequalities together like this. How will you solve this? Let's do it this way. You pair this and this one. First of all, pair, because you can only solve two at a time. Pair this and this. After solving, then you now pair this and this also. So you are going to pair 3x minus 4 less than 2x plus 1. So there is it. 3x minus 4 is less than 2x plus 1. So now we are going to collect like terms. This 2x is plus 2x here. When it comes here, now turn to minus 2x is less than 1 is here already before. This minus 4, it will now come here. It's minus 8, now turn to plus 4. So you can easily say that 3x minus 2x will give us x. 1 plus 4 will give us 5. Then I will now pair 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 3x plus 2. So this is a pairing. 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 3x plus 2. Now, so we will now collect like that. Bring this minus 3 to this side. It's plus here. When it comes here, now turn to minus 3x. This is plus. When you cross it the equality sign, turn to minus 3x. Now, we already have 2 here. This is plus 1. When it comes here, now turn to minus 1. So here you are having 2x minus 3x. Now you have 2x minus 3x. 2x minus 3x give us minus x. 2 minus 1 give us 1. This is minus s less than or equal to 1. We are looking for x, not minus x. Because of that, you realize that we are going to divide both sides by minus 1. So because we are dividing by negative value, because you are dividing by negative value, this sign here will not change to the opposite sign. It is less than before, it not change to greater than equal to. Then 1 divided by minus 1. Now, you now have x will now be equal. If you now divide it, the minus divided by minus will give us plus, making plus x is greater than or equal to minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1 will give us minus 1. you realize that this can still be written as minus 1 is less than x, and here we said x is less than 5, so this is less than 5. We want to represent it on the number line now. So x is greater than minus 1. You come to minus 1. Draw your circle. Because of the equality sign, you are going to shade the circle. Which side is greater than minus 1? So your 0 is greater than minus 1. 1 is greater than minus 1. This side. Then they now say that what? This other one said x is less than 5. So you try to, this is 4, 5. You will come to 5. You draw your circle on 5. Because that one you just what? 5 is less than 5. So there is no equality sign, you not share. 4 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So that means the arrow will face like this. So it will meet the other one here. So that means this one is what? So it means that the value of x is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 5. So minus 1 is less than or equal to x, but x is less than 5. So for the work practice, represent the following set of each. Represent the solution set of each of the following inequalities graphically. 2x plus 1 less than x plus 5. 1 over 3 x plus 2 greater than 1 over 2x plus 1. 3 into bracket x minus 1 less than 1 minus x. 4, 10 is less than 2x minus 1 and x is less than x plus 5. Then we have 5 over 6x plus 1 over 2 is greater than 1. Number 6, we have 2x minus 5 is less than 3x plus 5 and less than 5x minus 1. Please ensure you like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you.